Here we are visiting with the llamas on a nice chilly morning. Knight's curious about the camera. Mucho's just chewing his cud there. And all the alpacas and llamas are just eating some fresh hay. It's a chilly morning here. Got a hard crust cover on the snow. Let's follow Uber out. And hear the crunch of the snow under my feet. But it's a sunny day. I'd say the temperatures right now are in the upper 20s. But with the sun coming out here early morning, we'll probably see most of this snow melt off today. Looking like a beautiful winter day here at the ranch.